Picoin has got some very big news, and news that you need to be interested in if you own this token or if you're thinking about buying this token. We could see a major decline in the coming days. Now, that's not to scare you, that's not to spook you, and that's not to say that it will decline, but there is a possibility because 188 million Pi tokens are going to unlock in March. Guys, $188 million Pi is well over $200 million, almost 300, it might even be 300 depending on what the price is at the time that it unlocks, but this is a lot of money. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we've got some very big news that we need to go over when it comes to Picoin. It says that the Pi network has become one of the most talked about crypto projects in recent years, drawing millions of users despite not being fully listed on major exchanges. Now the network is gearing up for a major event, unlocking 188 million Pi tokens in March. With the current market supply at 7 billion, this unlock could shake things up. And you know what? Let's just go see where it's at right now. I'm not exactly sure where Picoin is trading at the moment. It's currently at $1.81 and seems to be on a very nice, strong trend higher. Despite the overall market pulling back, Picoin has launched with a lot of strength, going from about 58 cents up to $3, back down to $1.80 right now. And this unlock has a lot of people on the edge of their seats. So let's talk about why. It says Picoin rises despite the large token unlock. Despite the upcoming unlock, Picoin has seen a 3% price increase, showing strong confidence from its users. According to Explore Pi data, these tokens will become available to over 1 million users. However, most Pi holders have chosen to keep their tokens locked rather than sell them. Data shows that 63% of Pi users have locked their tokens for 3 years, while another 14% have committed to a 1-year lock. This suggests that the unlock may not cause heavy selling pressure right away. Picoin has been gaining attention recently after reaching $2.99 before dipping slightly. With millions of tokens set to be unlocked, investors are closely watching how the market is going to react. Now, it is interesting because the guys who have locked their tokens for 3 years believe in the long-term commitment and the long-term strength of Picoin. The guys who've not locked for that long believe more in liquidity. Now, it does not mean, okay, they are going to go out there and immediately sell just because their tokens become available. They can still absolutely think that the token is going to go up in price, and as it does, they continue to hold. Nobody knows what they're going to do except them. But if you look at the numbers, over 1 million people receiving 188 million tokens, we're not talking about life-changing sums, most likely for the majority of these holders. And I don't know what the concentration is. There might be a few people that receive tens of thousands of dollars worth, but if you look at it, right, it's about 188 Pi per person if split evenly. Now, I know it's not going to be split evenly, but 188 tokens, roughly it's your $2. You might be talking about $300 worth of Pi being not dropped, but unlocked by these individuals. $300 they could absolutely sell, but if they believe it's going to go higher and they hold, that could ignite an entirely new round of strength for Picoin holders. Because just because people are liquid, they are choosing to hold now. Just because people are able to sell, they are choosing to hold now. And that's an entirely different narrative than the tokens being locked and nobody being able to sell. So I want to know what you guys think about Picoin down in the comments below. I'm on the fence of it, right? Picoin is not something that I did trade Picoin for a minute after its launch, but it's not something that I've gotten heavily into, and I know the community that is in it is very dedicated. So please, shed some light as to why I should or should not buy Picoin down in the comments below. But I do want to say one of the tokens that I am buying is Solixi token. Now, this is a layer 2 blockchain for the Solana blockchain, and I believe that as Solana sees congestion in the upcoming bull market, Solixi token is going to see a lot of demand. They've already done over $25.2 million in ICO activity, and as a matter of fact, the price should have risen here, and it will rise again. The current price is 0.1656 cents, and in 1 day, 23 hours, and 38 minutes, the price is going to rise. These guys have a huge community out on X, 67,000 followers worth, and they're doing an awesome job in their ICO. And of course, they're building something for a problem, or they're building a solution to a problem, I should say, that so many people don't even know exists. So if you guys are interested in this, make sure you use that link down in the description below. Actually, if you're interested in buying Picoin as well, it is available on the KSX exchange. You get a link for that down in the description as below as well. Let me know, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.